Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to solve questions from unit 5, which is factorization. So we will be doing exercise 5.2, question number 1 till 4. So let's start. This whole exercise is about factorization, just like exercise 5.1. So I will tell you first that what these questions are about. Question 1 is about completing the square method. Question 2 and question 3 are about splitting the middle term method. There is a small difference between the two questions. Question 3 is having a coefficient with x square and question 2 is not having that. Question 4 is about replacing the common term and splitting the middle term. So this is question number 1, first and second part. So you can go through these. It's completing the square method, as I told you earlier. So we will complete the square in the first by adding another term. So you can see in the second and first part that how the term is added and subtracted. First and second question are both different. This is the third question, third, fourth and fifth question. Sixth question of first question, completing this square method. So question 2 is splitting the middle term method. So I have another video in very detail about this method. I will share the link in the description. Please watch that if you are not clear about this method. Question number 1 and 2, then question 3 and 4. So rest of the parts are similar. I hope you can do it on your own. Then there is first part of question number 3. Question 3 is having a coefficient with x square term. So you will multiply the constant with the coefficient. And then you will use the splitting the middle term method. So this is very important method of factorization actually. So please learn it well. I recommend that you can watch that video in your own time. So this is question number 3, fourth and third part. It is a bigger number. You can see 105 and 504 was coming. So we used calculator to find the factors of these numbers until we are not able to find the suitable pair. Be careful of sign also in these questions. Question number 2, third part. So finding the pair is very important in splitting the middle term method and keeping the sign consciously so that you are getting the same sign which middle term is having. So moving on to question number 4, first part. So this is a question where you need to introduce another variable. So see the common terms, x square plus 5x was common. So I have taken y in that. So in this question I need to split the last if I can still use the middle term method, just like in question number 2 we did. So in question number 1 there was no need, but in question number 2, which is this one, so you can see that after solution, when we reach to the point where we place the value of y back in the equation, so that we can still use the splitting the middle term method. So I've used that again. So that method is used twice in this question until we have reached to the answer, which is x plus 1, x minus 2 square into x minus 5. Question part 3. This is a different question. So you need to pair up the terms by keeping in mind that their sum is same. So x plus 2 and x plus 5 was paired because sum is 7. X plus 3 and x plus 4 was paired because the sum of the constants were 7. So we multiplied and then we used splitting the middle term method. So practice the rest of the questions in your own time. For question number 4, And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.